Tuberculosis, or TB disease.
TB is spread through the air from one person to another. When a person breathes in TB bacteria, it can settle in the lungs and begin to grow. It is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, which usually attacks the lungs. It can also attack any part of the body, including the kidneys, spine, and brain. It can be fatal if not treated properly.
The first symptoms of active tuberculosis are poor appetite, weight loss, cough that may be accompanied by bloody sputum, variable fever, night sweat, chest pain, and fatigue.
I don't like this place. I don't like. Listen. I haven't finished yet.
Do you know what Africa's most?
I know. The sharks, lions, tiger, cat, and also...
Listen. Tuberculosis.
Media outlets have recently been very attentive to issues of global health. In particular, news about HIV/AIDS, and now avian influenza or bird flu, continues to make headlines as the public demands information on the fight against these killer viruses. In one sense, this focus should be welcomed, as it promises to raise awareness about these viruses and about the larger picture surrounding global health, including questions of conflict and poverty. At the same time, a narrow emphasis on HIV and avian flu threatens to overlook a new menace from an old disease, tuberculosis.
All about Africa. What's the...
of infection disease in our syllabus. So the causes of tuberculosis is by Mycobacterium tuberculosis.
Do you think only humans have problems? I'm showing you where's problem. Animals have problems. I tell you which animal has problem.
It's a cow. It's tuberculosis bacteria.
TB can be diagnosed with a simple skin test, known as the Mantoux reaction, or tuberculin test. A series of tests that may include a chest radiograph and samples of blood and sputum can be used to determine TB infection as well.
I think I'm going to have TB. Oh, really? Oh, let me check for you.
What is it? What you want to do?
Oh, okay. I'm looking for a hole to plug in so that I can insert your
Huh?
Can't find the hole.
What?
Pull for it. Can you please pull out the pants? Mr. Rahim, after I can check you, I have to say goodbye to you.
Why?
We can't treat you.
And I'm going to die?
Oh, yeah, this is the result.
Thank you, doctor, thank you, doctor.
TB is treatable and curable. Once diagnosed, it can be addressed through a series of specific antibiotics. Talk to your doctor when planning your treatment. It needs to start quickly to increase your chances of overcoming TB. Make sure you understand their instructions and get answers to your questions. Treatment can last several months. It is very important to follow it strictly. Even if you feel better, it is no reason to stop your treatment. You must complete it as indicated by your doctor. Failure to comply with treatment as indicated can cause the mycobacteria to become resistant to antibiotics. This can make TB more aggressive and dangerous, a condition known as drug-resistant tuberculosis. To prevent the spread of infection, maintain good nutrition and drink a lot of fluid to stay well hydrated. Attend regular health checkups with all family members. Avoid staying for a long period of time in a crowded place. Avoid drugs, alcohol, and cigarettes. When you cough or sneeze, cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or your arm. Also, use a face mask when possible. Let's all take these preventative measures to stop the spread of TB.